Wait. Do I see that favorite pair of jeans of yours that you're throwing away? And that little black dress too? Everyone's favorite and wardrobe essential. Why are you throwing it away just because it's old? Here comes the third and fourth R of sustainable clothing. And the main one. So listen up. Main and the very crucial R of sustainable clothing is repurpose and recycle. So what is it all about? Let's dive deeper into this, and I'm sure you will love it. So stick around for it. So repurposing is about creatively transforming your old and unused pieces into a new, more stylish and functional item without breaking them down into a raw material. How we can achieve it? There are a number of ways. So the first one that is my personal favorite is upcycling. So what we do in upcycling is we pick some fabrics that we don't use anymore and create something new out of it, like maybe turning an old sari into a chic dress. That's a cool idea. And maybe cropping your oversized t-shirt, creating a cross bag out of your old denim dress that you don't wear anymore. So that is how upcycling works. The other technique is mending and patchwork. If you have a favorite pair of, let's say, little black dress that is ripped, don't feel like throwing it away because that's one of your favorite piece. So you don't really have to throw it away. What you can do, you can patch a colorful fabric to it, or maybe do some embroidery on the ripped area along with the patchwork and create something new. Use your creative skills. So that's one way we do it. We use these techniques, patchwork and everything, to make it look even cooler maybe and useful. Another way of upcycling is you can just use your zippers and embroidered necklines and just remove those trims from that old piece and apply it to the new design and make a new piece out of it. So this is also one way of upcycling. Also, it's very pleasing to eyes and you get the satisfaction that you created something out of it. And the fourth R is recycling. So this one is a bit complex one that you cannot do at your place. So what you can do, how you can contribute, is you can just donate your clothes that you don't want anymore, which are in good condition. So if they are in good condition, you can just donate them, just give it to the shelters near you or to some thrift stores. And apart from that, there are a few brands that encourage take back programs. In that, you can just go to a store near you if they have this program, and you can just give your old clothes for recycling. So if you repurposed anything, if you created anything new from an old and existing fabric or a dress, we would love to see it. We would love to see the outcome. So just don't hesitate to send in the videos and the images of before and after, and we will definitely feature it on a story. Let's come together and help each other and make sustainable clothing more fashionable.